Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanish Chandra Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help the learning mathematics. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is median. In previous video we have already learned how we can find the median in individual distribution and ungroup frequency distribution table. Today we learn how to solve group frequency distribution table, find the median. So let's take today's first question. Here we have given the group frequency distribution table and ask him find the median. For finding median, we have already learned that first we find the commutative frequency, any frequency distribution table. So first we find the commutative frequency distribution table. See here. First in commutative frequency distribution table, always first we write first number as it is, then it add in next terms. So 42 plus 30 is 72. 72 plus 50 is 122. 122 plus 22 is 144. 144 plus 8 is 152 and 157. Now summation f and n is 157. By this method we can easily find the n. Next, n upon 2 for median, we always find the n upon 2 value. Means 1 upon 157 upon 2 equals to divide by 2, 2 7 are 14, 1 remaining 17, 2 8 are 16, 1 remaining 2 5 are 10, means 78.5. Here 78.5 is the n upon 2 and less than value of n upon 2 is called CF. Here CF is 72. Here CF is 72. Next, the next row of CF, that is called median class. So median class is 16 to 24. By this method, we can easily find the n upon 2, that is n upon 2 value. Less than value of n upon 2, that is called CF, and next row of CF is called median class. By this method, we can find the easily median. Let's take median formula for group frequency distribution table. That is L plus bracket में n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiply H. That is the formula of median in group frequency distribution table. Now we solve it. First L. L means the lower limit of median class. Here lower limit of median class is 60. So L is 60 plus n upon 2 is 78.5 minus CF is 72 upon F. F means frequency. Here frequency in median class is 50 multiply H. H means the difference between median class. That is 24 minus 16 is 8. So write it 8. Now we calculate it. 16 are as it is plus 78.5 minus 72 is 6.5. Then we write it 6.5 multiply 8 upon 50. First we remove the decimal. So remove it. Get 110. Now any number are cancelled. So cancel it. First it is divided by 5. It is 30. So now we solve it. 16 is as it is. 13. 8 are 104. So write it 104. Here in denominator we have 100. 100 means 1 have 2 0. So write the decimal after 2 digits. So our answer is 1.04. Now we add 16 and 1.04. Then we got answer is 17.04. It is the median of our this follow and group frequency distribution table. Every time you remember that first we find the CF after adding. Next we find the n upon 2 value, that is 78.5, and CF always is less than of n upon 2 or equal to. Sometimes CF maybe it is equal to, but that time this part is 0, then lower limit is the our median. But generally it is not possible. n upon 2 is this. Find the by n divided by 2. CF is the less than value of n upon 2, that is this, and median class is the next class of CF. By this method, we can easily calculate the median. So let's take another questions. Here we have given following table represent the lifetime of 400 lamp. Means total lamp are 400. So in question are already given what is the sum of frequency. So next, find the median of the lifetime. Mean find the median. Here we know that in group frequency distribution table, formula of median is L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiply H. It is the formula. Next, in median, for finding the median, first we find the CF, means commutative frequency. First number write as it is 14. Next, 14 plus 56 is 70. Next, 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 plus 86 is 216. 216 plus 74 is 290. 290 and 62, 352. 352 and 48 is 400. So our answer of commutative frequency are right. So summation of F and N equals to 400. Now we find the N upon 2. N upon 2 is 400 upon 2 is 200. 200. So less than 200 CF is this. So our CF is this and median class is next row of CF. Now we put these value in our question. So 3000 plus bracket n upon 2 means 200 minus 130 upon is frequency, that is 86, multiply difference is 500. Next solve. 3000 is as it is plus 70 multiply 500 upon 86. 3000 is as it is plus 7 5 is 35,000 upon 86. For solving it, first we divide the 35,000 by 86. For solving it, first we divide 86 by 35,000. Here it is divided by 4. 6. Now we take 0. It is not divided by 86. Then we write 0. Take next 0. It is divided by 6. 6 is 36. 3 remaining. Then we got our answer is 406 point something. So write it 406. Now we add it. Then we got 3406 hours. It is our median. So thank you. So let's take another questions. Here we have given find the median of following data. Data are given below 20. Sometimes we have given below or more than, less than, this type. Then it is not, number of student is not a frequency because it is here in ascending order. Because below 20 we have 2 students, but below 25 we have these 2 students also. So each time the previous student are also added. So by this method we have check it is not a frequency. So first we have to find the frequency. Sorry, class interval. First we have to find the class interval and frequency also. Because here we have not given any frequency because it is the sum, and we have not given the interval in proper way. It is below 20. Below 20 is a lot of things. 0 to 20. Below 25 is 0 to 25. All time we have lower limit are same. So by this method we cannot find the median. So first we have take the interval. So interval, class interval. First below 20 we cannot do anything. So write it as it is. Below 20, the smallest number side, we cannot do anything. Write it as it is. Next, we get 20 to 25. Next, 25 to 30. Next, similarly 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and last 55 to 60. Now we get the class interval. So now we have calculated the class interval from below 20, below 25, below 35. We calculate the class interval. Now we have to find the frequency by this number. So in lower side, again, if it is more than, then lower point, the value are in downside. So always start from lower side. First, lower side value, write it as it is. Write it as it is means 2 is as it is. And second time we subtract this value. Previous time for commutative frequency we add it, but here we subtract it in next value from smaller side number. From smaller number. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 24 minus 6 is 18. 45 minus 24 is 21. 78 minus 45 is 33. 89 minus 78 is 11. 92 minus 89 is 3. 98 minus 92 is 6. And last 100 minus 98 is 2. It is our frequency. Now we can calculate the commutative frequency also. Here first we have find the class interval and frequency for finding the median. Now we find the commutative frequency means CF. Here CF are same for this because here we are using below. Below and less than time commutative frequency and these number are same, but in more than commutative frequency and this number are not same because that time it will come from end of the table. So write commutative frequency 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. Here we have given commutative frequency 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. Now we calculate the CF by 2 as it is. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 18, 24, 24 plus 21, 45, 45 plus 33, 78, 78 plus 11, 89, 89 plus 3, 92, 92 plus 6, 98, and 98 plus 2 is 100. Now we have calculated the n upon 2 value. Here n is 100, so n upon 2 is 100 upon 2 is 50. So less than 50 is called CF, means 45 is CF, and median class is 35 to 40. This is the median class. Now we can calculate the median by formula. Median formula is L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiply H. Now put the value. L means lower limit of median class is 35 plus n upon 2 is 50 minus 45 upon F 33 multiply H means 5. So calculating it we get 35 is as it is plus 50 minus 45 is 5 multiply 5 upon 33. We get 35 plus 5 5 is 25, so we have to divide 25 by 33. It is not divided, so first we write the decimal. After decimal we take 0. Then we get 7 times, 7 3 is 21, 2 remaining, 7 3 is 21, 2, 23. Now we get 90. Again we divide it. 5 times, 15, 5, 15, 1, 60, 165. Then we get 5, 2, 25. Now our answer is 0.75. So 0.75 plus 35 is 35.75. By this method, we can calculate the median of any group frequency distribution table if it is given in below and more than less than type of any given. First, always we find the class interval, because for median we have to class interval and frequency. Then we can find the CF. Sometimes CF are given in our questions, but does not take any type of tension. If below and more than are given, first change in class interval and write the frequency. Then we find the commutative frequency. By this method, we can easily calculate the median. So, thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. If you have any type of problem, write in comment box. So, thank you.